A very famous neuroscientist has said this that writing is an advanced form of thinking. So, whenever I wake up early, I try to write a bit. But today was not one of those days where I would sit and write because it was a little extra special, almost like a new life. I woke up today at 4, but I got up from the bed at 5, and it has been very, very long since I've woken up this early, naturally and willingly, despite the fact that I slept at 2:30, so almost only 1.5 hours of sleep. The reason why I think I was able to wake up willingly and happily this early after less sleep is because of this yogic sleep or yoga nidra that Andrew Huberman has done tremendous research on, and he talks about it.
I went to visit a trauma treatment center in Florida where they were doing Yoga Nidra with people every morning for an hour. Wake up, they would do this Yoga Nidra for an hour. I decided to participate once or twice, and I found it to be incredibly restorative because I wasn't sleeping well on that trip, and I would come out of it thinking like, I just felt like I slept 8 hours. I only slept 4 or 5 broken hours. I do this 1 hour of Yoga Nidra, and whoa, I feel amazing. Like, this is wild. This is a big effect. What is this?
And I've done this a lot of times before, but this is the first time that I'm talking about it. So, yeah, I'm just sharing what I have felt many times before. I'm speaking very softly because everyone is asleep, and because also this feels good. I feel very calm right now, so probably that's the reason why I speak so softly. I don't know if everything is being recorded in this mic or not, but yeah, I'm sure about the message. The message is that sometimes life is so ironic that when I was going to sleep, I was thinking, okay, I need at least 6 to 7 hours of sleep, and I'll wake up at 8:30 or 9. But then I'm awake at 5 on the mat. I'm planning to do some breath work and yoga. Have a good routine which I haven't done since months, I think. Since months I haven't been able to wake up this early or follow a wellness routine, so to say, which I really wanted to do. And yeah, so not only did I wake up early, but there's a lot of pain in the body at different parts. We have all of these pains in our body stuck somewhere, which is not so big that we are constantly reminded of it during the day, but it is there. And once that pain lifts off, it goes away, we feel really free, and our body moves swiftly, and we feel at ease. So that happened with Yoga Nidra. That is a very, very common effect. And when I was waking up in my half dream, half asleep and half waking up state, I got this message that I should make this video and share this. Yeah, and just speak my truth. That's it. Just speaking what I feel like sharing. I'm listening to the right voice in my head, because a lot of times I've been inspired to share something, a message or something, but because of maybe the fear or the judgment of making an effort to do something, to share something, and what if it's not accepted, or what if it's not received in the same way that I am giving. But again, I think it boils down to that core reason or intention of doing that act. But I've realized that speaking my truth, sharing what I'm called upon to share or what I feel like sharing is very, very important, despite of the lighting, my appearance, or the background. Yeah, the audio the audio needs to be clear so that if I want to listen to it, I don't have to make a lot of effort hearing it clearly. So audio is important. Yeah, I know this is. I'm gonna post this on Instagram and probably on YouTube. But I know this is not the format of Instagram, and I'm not trying to go viral. It's just plain, simple sharing my heart, my truth. That's it. And of course, yes. So if you want to do Yoga Nidra, it is tremendously researched now. So many journals, papers, articles are out there. Do your research because it's a very powerful way to recharge yourself instantly. I've done this a lot of. I do this almost like now as a second nature. When I'm going to take a nap during the day, I really wish that I share more of this authentic truths that I want, that I feel or called upon to share. Because it can be valuable to someone. So, yeah, if the core reason of doing this act is giving, then the expectation completely flips. That's it.